Beautiful luxury 1 bedroom in Forest Hill. This is entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Separate kitchen. It's a pantry. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of corner space. It comes with a dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, comes with a microwave, more cabinets, windows in the kitchen. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors. This is the bedroom, a large bedroom. It can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. And it comes with a closet. Bathroom all renovated, beautiful tiles, very clean. It's the linen closet. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, lounge in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the express train on 71st Continental, the ENF train, near the MRR train, also near the LIR train. A few blocks from the famous Austin Street. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.